Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Prophet back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the crypto news of today. So we see a 5.73% increase in the last 24 hours across the market. Bitcoin getting closer and closer to $40,000, Ethereum getting closer to $3,000. We have a lot of great increases taking place. Chainlink back over $30. Cardano pushing up across that $1.70 range or $1.70 mark. Polygon doing big things still with a 32% increase up to $220. There's a lot of news to cover today, so we will be covering all of the news. I do want to say, guys, before we get started, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to get crypto news and stay up to date as quickly as possible. So the first article today we're going to take a look at is the gaming retailer GameStop is building an NFT platform on Ethereum. This is one of the biggest news articles of today we're going to talk about. I wanted to mention it right in the beginning to make sure you guys knew about it. So this is a very big deal. GameStop has been quietly unveiled a new web portal for a non-fungible token platform. We are building a team, the page declares. We welcome exceptional engineers, Solidity, as it took us to an ad here, Solidity, React, Python, designers, gamers, marketers, and community leaders. If you want to join our team, send your profile or something you've built to nftteam@gamestop.com. So they talk more about really where they're going. We don't know too much yet, but we just basically know the gaming retailer GameStop is building an NFT platform on Ethereum, which is definitely something they need to do. Obviously, we all know, GameStop is slowly dying. There's been a lot of drama with GameStop in the past, so we'll see what this does and see if it brings any more drama to us. I did see something like this move the stock 3% up in the right direction, so maybe that's a good start for them. Jumping into the next article, this is more of just a Reddit post. I wanted to really take a look at this. If you guys didn't know, the fourth largest Bitcoin whale just bought an additional 988 Bitcoins at less than $40,000. So at $39,000, he must believe it's going up. This is definitely a good thing to see, whales continue to buy at this dip. So we'll see what happens here. A lot of people are excited about this. And one thing that I'll mention is USD or Tether is still at that $60 billion market cap. So a lot of people are still holding their money. If you take a look at these, stable coins, we have 21.1 billion in USDC. Just like I said, Binance USD as well, 8.8 billion, and then DAI at 4.6 billion. So we have a lot of people still holding their money into these stable coins, while big Bitcoin, whales really are buying up additional Bitcoin. So it's weird that they are still waiting for another large dip, while really Bitcoin whales are not waiting for another dip. They know this could be it as it continues to climb. So we'll see what happens. You may have the right idea by holding off and holding your money in fiat and then trying to buy the dip, or you may be missing the train. We'll see what takes place. But jumping into the next one, we have Cardano sees US $10 million inflows as big investors switch to proof of stake coins. So we continue to see, new investors switching to proof of stake coins, obviously including Cardano. So we saw that exactly here. They talk about some fast facts. I'm not going to deep dive into any of those, but just a quick article for you guys on Cardano. We also see Reddit users are now more interested in crypto than meme stocks. So this is very good news as well. So new data suggests that interest on Reddit has switched to the from meme stocks to cryptocurrencies. According to a report from the Financial Times, Reddit's cryptocurrency from cryptocurrency has garnered more traction from retail traders than popular meme stock forum Wall Street Bets this month. That is a big deal. Obviously, seeing more and more people jumping in and getting on board with cryptocurrency rather than meme stocks is definitely a path in the right direction. Let's take a look at the next one. So Governor Jared Polis wants Colorado to accept Bitcoin for state taxes. So I'd love to set that up. The blockchain-friendly governor said at Consensus 2021. So this is great to see more and more states really trying to set up this idea of paying taxes with crypto, and they understand they're adopting it, and this is exactly what we need. We need states as well as countries all across the world to really start adopting crypto as a whole, and that's exactly what we're seeing with this article as so many more. Now we also see Cardano smart contracts enter critical phase as Hoskinson lays out support for DApp developers. So smart contracts are edging near for Cardano, but developers IOG need to get the DApp situation right if it's successfully really to compete with Ethereum. So a lot of people are very, very excited about, obviously, Cardano competing with Ethereum. And they also say, Alonzo is Alonzo because of you guys, not because of us. It's a generic smart contract framework, and it's really defined by the applications that are constructed. So it's great to see, Cardano really continue to do so well. So back July 26, 2020, he said, this time next year, I predict there will be hundreds of assets running on Cardano, thousands of dApps, tons of interesting projects, and lots of unique use and utility. 2021 is going to be so much fun watching Cardano grow and evolve. The community is definitely ready to innovate. So, this is what he predicted in July 2021. We'll see if it comes true. Obviously, the Cardano price point is slowly rising back to its previous over $2. So we'll see if that continues on. Next, we have Mike Novakoretz, doubts Dogecoin's future. No institution is buying Doge, so retail will lose interest. And this is definitely interesting. So we don't see too many institutions buying Dogecoin. And like I said, retailers will lose interest, or I guess like Mike said, retailers will lose interest. And I think this is probably true. For the most part, doubts the future of Dogecoin. The billionaire investor said that it's likely doesn't have long-term legs because no institution is buying it. And at some point, retail will lose interest. This definitely could be true. They do have Elon Musk, so a lot of people, some reason, still listen to everything he says about crypto. So we'll see what really takes place. It'll be interesting to see what takes place with, with Dogecoin. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date on that as well. Jumping into the next article, we have CBZ leverages on digitalization. So we have more about Zimbabwe's biggest bank, CBZ Holdings, says it's looking to really leverage on cryptocurrencies and other emerging digital innovation. So like I said, it's great to see mass adoption taking place. That's exactly what you're seeing here. More countries taking advantage of crypto. Jumping into the next article, we have Chinese firm BitMining invests $9 million to build a 100 megawatt Bitcoin farm in I'm not sure exactly how to say this country, but I'm not sure. Kazakhstan? You guys let me know in the comments. You guys always do a great job of letting me know how I should be pronouncing things. So let me know in the comments how you guys would pronounce it without looking it up. I love to see what you guys think or how it's pronounced. Maybe you know the country as well, so it'll be easier on you. But Shenzhen-based BitMining is planning to construct and operate a 100 MW crypto mining data center. The project will be implemented in partnership with two local companies that will also provide the enterprise with an array of services. The total amount of investment will exceed $9 million. So they're definitely going hard on this. They understand that it's definitely going to be the future. So it's interesting to see, like I said, a Chinese firm you don't see much Chinese or China being involved in any situation at this point in time because of what's going on over in China. But let's take a look at the next article. Cryptocurrency will be allowed in Nigeria, CBN's Godwin says. So Nigerians will be allowed to trade cryptocurrency according to the Central Bank of Nigeria governor. Also, the central bank had banned cryptocurrency use in Nigeria after a boom in digital currency transaction. Then Godwin said, cryptocurrency is used mostly for illegal activities, according to its investigation. I will say, we've kind of refuted that statement many, many times on this channel alone. We've talked about, how many different times it's actually been known that crypto has less use of illegal activities. Maybe that's just because we don't know about them, but for the most part, it does look like illegal activities are equally popular on regular fiat as well as crypto. So it's interesting to see this all play out as we continue to see more and more people talking about crypto as well. So Nigeria, also a country we're talking about today when it comes to crypto. So that's great to see that as well. Jumping into another article, this says Bitcoin is a savings account with an average growth of over 100% a year. So the solution to the problem facing billions of people around the world, access to a cheap, secure, and reliable savings account, that is solved with Bitcoin. Obviously, when I say reliable, I'm not sure, reliable. I would say it's reliable. I will say, though, it is risky. It's a little bit riskier because, 1 year from another year, we could see, a 50% decrease like we saw literally in a couple days. So, there is more risk involved with this than a typical savings account, in my opinion. But realistically, it definitely has better, better growth percentages per year, obviously, and really savings accounts. If you want to play a little bit riskier, this is definitely a way to go. Put some of your retirement into crypto as well as just regular, M1 or I guess what you guys would call 401ks or whatever else you want to call them, Roth IRAs or whatever else. But I will say, guys, for the most part, we continue to see Bitcoin as a great investment opportunity, definitely for the long term. I want to say before we talk about this one as well, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice. But before we jump into Charlie Bit My Finger, I do want to quickly take a look at BlockFi. So this is our sponsor today. It's a quick BlockFi advertisement because BlockFi is one of those, like I said, it's one of those that you can make your money work for you, or make your crypto work for you as well. So you can actually see the future of finance. The old way of doing things doesn't cut it anymore. With BlockFi, you can use cryptocurrency to earn interest at up to 8.6% APY, borrow cash, buy or sell crypto. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So BlockFi, I just got partnered with them recently. If you guys would take advantage of the link below in the comments, it should be pinned. That would mean a lot to me. It obviously does help me out, and it will help you out as well. So I think BlockFi is honestly a great company to take advantage of, really making your money work for you. So take advantage of it. Like I said, it's in the comments, also in the description of the video. We also see popular Charlie Bit My Finger YouTube video sold as NFT for $760,000. We talked about this a little bit yesterday as well. So the bid to own the soon-to-be-deleted YouTube phenomenon, Charlie Bit My Finger, leaving you as a sole owner of this lovable piece of internet history, while also getting the chance to say Charlie bit your finger if you want to see what all that hype is. So very popular YouTube video back in the day, and it's great to see these people make some money off it. Jumping back to our prices, we see a 5.73% increase, now down to a 4.67% increase in the last 24 hours. Ooh. Okay, so I'm not going to edit that out, actually. I'm going to keep going through this. But, Bitcoin's up about around that $39,000 mark. So we're seeing some great progress. Ethereum up to about $2,700. We have a Cardano above $1.70 still. So a lot of coins doing very, very well still. It's great to see a lot of these coins continuing to do well. Great recovery period for a lot of coins. I do think we could be on our way to another dip soon. We'll see what really takes place. But, here we have gone from, 40,000, 41,000 to this 38,000. So we'll see what takes place. I think it could be another decrease on the right, or on the path ahead, but we'll see what happens. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to keep up to date with daily crypto news. I try to keep you guys up to date with that really as much as possible. So thanks again. I'll see you guys all in the next one.